So, what I would like you to do, it's not really going to be an exercise, it's just, I would like you to establish your awareness of your connection with the cold. That's it. There's not much to do actually, but just to get in and just be aware of it.
I've given up on the idea of personal best. I think it's a present best. It's whatever you can do in that moment in the ice, I feel. Well, it's the same as anything really, isn't it? I feel with the cold water immersion especially, it seems to be, some days I might be 10 minutes and another day I might be 3 minutes. But I'm not in there for the time, I'm just in there for the experience.
Not ice.
We like to do breath together. It's just a nice thing to get to go and do, like a collective emotion of doing breath work together.